Hi, I'm Shelley Lawder. I'm an NCCP qualified Canadian high performance dressage coach, and this is my facility where we do all of our training. And right now we're engaged in a program trying to promote dressage in BC and develop high performance riders for Pan Am Games and 2028 LA Olympics. And we have researched optimal environments for training, and after 5 years of a lot of research, we discovered Suncoast, and we have had an extraordinary positive experience working together with Suncoast blinds and utilizing these blinds through the winter. So we live in Vancouver, BC, which is infamous for cold, wet weather, and we had hoped that these blinds might block 90% of the rain and wind and snow, but our experience has actually been it's 100%, which allows us to train in comfort. It keeps the drafts and the cold and the winds off of ourselves and our athletes, our equine athletes that are working so hard in these conditions. Winter training is critical because all the big competitions start early on in spring, the qualifying competitions, so you have to have a really strong winter training program. So you need to be at a facility that can accommodate that in winter conditions. And most importantly is this footing that we have is very expensive, and it has to be a certain consistency for our equine athletes, like a basketball floor or a dance floor for dancers, so that it's springy and light and lofty, and that they have appropriate cushioning and appropriate traction so it's not slippery. And blocking the rain and the snow from coming in and turning this into a slick, wet mess allows us to train in comfort 7 days of the week, year-round. And then, of course, in the spring and summer, because they're blinds that are, each blind is individually on its own motorized mechanism, we can, with a remote, elevate the blinds and open it up and have, during the summertime, enjoy the outside, which is wonderful for everybody riding in the arena, and also very good for the horses to get exposed to all the stimulus outside as well. So if the horses are enclosed in an arena with solid walls, they're not accustomed to the distractions of seeing outside like we can. Even now with all the blinds down, we can see everything, and the horses then are accustomed to competition environment, which is usually outside and open with all the visual distractions and all the auditory distractions. So it's been the optimal solution for us, and we are more than delighted with the outcome and the process. The install, working with Suncoast, working with Warren and Nathan has just been an absolute pleasure. We feel totally supported by the support staff, and it's absolutely 100% double thumbs up. So thank you, Suncoast.